Hey, Skippy, why you always talking about this pimp stuff, man? What's happening? Cause it's real, nigga, I'm a pimp.
New day, new bitch, so it's new money. High tech in the cup, cause of blue honey. Full clip in my shit, homie, who want it? Talking all that shit, better do something. I be really in the set on the deuce thuggin'.
Give us your heart!
We're taking the heart of this car today.
Give it up.
You might know what it is, but when we get it around to the shop, we'll show you what's inside if you don't already know. Hooked up to the big old truck over there.
Yeah, get trickster.
We're about to whip this thing.
I'm gonna pull you back, around, backwards.
I hope these brakes work. We have arrived.
Hey, Mitch, kill the music.
The car we just pushed in here and wasted all of our energy that we're gonna have to put into pulling this motor is a GS300. And a lot of you guys probably know what's inside of this car, but I'll show you anyways. We're putting a JZ back in the 240. So I'm super hyped on that. Big shout out to Braden Carlson for letting me buy this motor from him. This is his car, we're just pulling the motor. He's gonna do something else with it at some point. We got super cool plans for this thing. So this was a big part of the process of getting that thing back on the road, and here it is. So time to start pulling it. Very exciting, super excited to get this thing out of here and one step closer to in there. Okay, to start this video, I had to basically do everything that I've done so far outside in the like 100-degree weather, but they were able to move the Supra up so that I could back the GS back, and now I've got room right here and the lighting's a little better, so hopefully things go a little smoother.
From the top, around here we run a tight ship. It's a production studio, not a manufacturing facility.
As you can see, I got some of the shit off the motor. The radiator and the fans are gone, the intake's gone, and I'm starting to pull the wiring harness out, and I can't just chop it up because the wiring harness is going to the original owner of the engine, so I just gotta be careful and not fuck anything up. So this should be a lot nicer, and I got Mitchell's dope ass light here. Pulling the wiring harness now.
Not me, I'm machining.
I'm doing it.
And then eventually when I'm done working, I'm actually gonna help. So.
Okay, well obviously I got a lot done. Didn't film a lot because I just been in here wrenching away, and all the machines are going. People are playing music, so I couldn't really get a lot finished or filmed, but I got a lot finished. Tomorrow I'm gonna pull the motor out, so that'll be a continuation of this video. And yeah, it was really just, I pulled off this front core support. The exhaust is about ready to come off. All of the upper and lower intake are off. Radiator, AC condenser, and the wiring harness are out. So tomorrow should be not too long before we get the whole motor out, and yeah.
Transmission foot, drive shaft, exhaust, motor mounts, trans mounts, transmission harness, feeder core lines, and probably a bunch of grounds that he forgot about that he's gonna find as he pulls it out.
As we pull, yeah, we'll find the hot wire.
This is a front sump. That's good. Although I wish it had a rear sump because I have 50 million front sumps.
Yeah, you guys know, and I know that he has an
unreasonable amount of front sumps.
too many front sumps. So if this was a rear sump, we'd be able to relieve your
Of one?
Yeah.
Why? Why do I have that?
I don't know. You tell me.
Skyline.
I'll make one out of wood.
Wood valve covers? That's a viral video.
That would be kind of sick.
How long does wood valve covers last? I don't know what's the combustion point of wood. Certain wood. This thing's only going to get to like 220-ish degrees. Wood catch up fire at 200.
It might warp and do some weird shit.
What if we use an exotic hardwood? What if we get some like Rubian maple?
You could get some Rubian maple.
Rubian maple. Just make it up.
All right, we'll see you in the next video. I mean, no, the next part of this video tomorrow. All right, day 2 of pulling the JZ. Should be able to get it out today. Really all that's left is pulling the drive shaft, motor mounts, and exhaust, and a couple more plugs and wires and stuff that I'm assuming I'm gonna find along my way, but should come out, like I said. So hopefully everything goes my way. Okay, we got the car on the lift, which is a very good, a good step we were able to take. We took the super off, and this is gonna make things a lot easier and a lot faster. These bolts are rusted beyond recognition. We tried everything we could, so we're gonna have to cut this exhaust off. Unfortunately, but it's really not that big of a deal because this exhaust is pretty fucked up anyways. So yeah, let's cut this bitch off.
Sounds like something you would clean your laundry with. Oxyacetylene.
All right, so like I said, everything on this exhaust system is fucked. But Mitchell has this cool tool that, what does it do, Mitchell?
This is so you have more surface area on the O2 sensor when you pull it, because most of the time with an open end, you're gonna strip your O2 sensors if they're old like this. And just like that, it's broke loose. It's got a nice little slit for you to get the cable through. And yeah, it's definitely a good thing to have around the shop when you're doing little projects. Okay, so if you want to...
All right, we're gonna lower the car down and we should be able to pull the manifold off. All right, drive shaft bolts up next. Motor should be coming out right now. We'll see what stops us. We know there's a couple plugs on the transmission that we're gonna have to unplug, but other than that, everything should be out.
I'm stepping at the last minute. Hollywood. To win here's the victory. Oh, you took the tops off? You did the tops off? No. Oh, this is the other.
I was not mistaken.
Should we lower it and we can go up with the car and just take them out?
We can do it. We could.
That literally hit you right in the eye. Don't go too low. That's good.
Should be ready to pull now.
7.
I haven't cut anything besides heater core, and that's it. Is that 140? Asked if you take a COVID test before you board the flight.
Okay, we're touching.
Should be able to bring it out now.
Got the chain. Oh, get out.
She's out! Look at that. A whole ass 2JZ. Yeah, it's caked and shit. Alright, well that's going to do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you're hyped on the 2J. I'm super hyped, so soon we'll probably start making engine mounts and a lot of really cool stuff for that motor. So I'm super excited. Hopefully you guys are too, and we'll see you in the next one.